A 25-year-old who saves just $5 a day will have over $1 million by retirement.
But a 35-year-old saving the same amount?
They'll barely reach half that. This isn't magic, it's compound interest, and most people completely misunderstand how powerful it really is.
Welcome back to Cashflow Kingdom, where we break down personal finance without the jargon.
I'm here to show you exactly why compound interest is called the eighth wonder of the world, and more importantly, how you can harness its power starting today, even if you're not a math person.
Let's start with the basics because most explanations make this way too complicated. Compound interest is simply earning money on your money, then earning money on that money too. Think of it like planting a tree. You plant one seed, it grows into a tree, the tree drops more seeds, those grow into more trees, and suddenly you have a forest. Your initial investment is the seed, the returns are new trees, and time is what lets the forest grow massive. Here's a simple example. You invest $100 and earn 10% in year 1. Now you have $110. In year 2, you don't just earn 10% on your original $100, you earn 10% on the full $110. So you get $11, not $10. That extra dollar might seem tiny, but multiply this effect over decades with larger amounts, and that's where the magic happens. The key word here is compound. Your earnings start earning their own earnings. Let me show you some numbers that will blow your mind.
Take Sarah, who starts investing $200 a month at age 25, and Mike, who starts investing $400 a month at age 35.
Assuming a 7% annual return, who do you think ends up with more money at 65?
Sarah, investing half as much but starting 10 years earlier, ends up with $525,000. Mike, even though he invests twice as much per month, only reaches $367,000.
Sarah invested $96,000 total over 40 years. Mike invested $144,000 over 30 years. Yet Sarah has $158,000 more than Mike. That's the power of those extra 10 years.
Here's another stunner. If Sarah had started at 22 instead of 25, just 3 years earlier, she'd have $675,000. Those 3 years are worth $150,000.
This is why every finance expert screams start early until they're blue in the face.
Here's where most people mess up compound interest. They focus on the wrong things. Mistake number 1, they think they need huge amounts to start. I hear I'll start investing when I have more money constantly.
But remember our $5 a day example? That's $150 a month. Not exactly breaking the bank.
Mistake number 2, they try to time the market instead of giving time to the market. They wait for the perfect moment to start, or they panic and pull out during downturns.
But compound interest needs consistency and time, not perfect timing. Mistake number 3, they underestimate small amounts. That daily latte money?
Over 40 years at 7% returns, $5 daily becomes over $1 million.
Most people think it's just $5, but compound interest thinks it's a future fortune. The math doesn't care about your feelings, it just cares about time and consistency.
Before we dive deeper, if you're finding this valuable, subscribe for new money tips every Tuesday. If this is opening your eyes to the power of compound interest, hit that subscribe button for new money tips every Tuesday. Now for the part financial gurus don't love discussing. Compound interest works both ways, and it can absolutely destroy your wealth.
Credit card debt is compound interest in reverse. That $5,000 credit card balance at 18% interest?
If you only make minimum payments, you'll pay over $13,000 total and take 47 years to pay it off.
Your debt is compounding faster than most investments can keep up. This is why paying off high-interest debt should be your first priority before investing. Here's another dark truth: inflation is negative compound interest on cash. That $10,000 sitting in your savings account earning 0.5% while inflation runs at 3%?
You're losing purchasing power every single year. After 20 years, your $10,000 will only buy what $5,500 buys today.
Compound interest is a tool. It will work for you or against you, but it will always work. The question is which side you want to be on. Alright, enough theory, let's get practical. Step 1, start immediately with whatever you have.
Even $25 a month is infinitely better than $0.
Open a low-cost index fund account today.
Don't research for 6 months, just start.
Step 2. Automate everything. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your investment account.
You can't forget to invest if it happens automatically, and you can't panic and skip a month if the money's already gone. Step 3. Increase your contributions annually. Every raise, every tax refund, every birthday money, bump up your monthly investment.
Even $10 more per month makes a massive difference over decades. Step 4. Ignore the noise. Markets will crash, experts will predict doom, your account will go down sometimes. Keep investing anyway.
Remember, you're not trying to get rich quick, you're trying to get rich for sure. Here's the ultimate compound interest hack that most people miss: increase your earning power.
Everyone focuses on the money side: save more, invest more, get better returns.
But the real cheat code is dramatically increasing your income while keeping your expenses the same. If you're investing $200 a month now, doubling your income could let you invest $1,000 a month without changing your lifestyle. That's like getting 25 years of compound growth in way less time. Invest in yourself through education, skills, networking, and career moves. The person earning $100,000 a year who can invest $2,000 monthly will build wealth much faster than someone earning $50,000 investing $200 monthly, even if they start at the same time. Don't just put money to work, put yourself to work becoming more valuable. This approach attacks compound interest from both sides: more money going in, and more time for it to grow.
Don't let this be another video you watch and forget.
Here's your homework. First, calculate where you'd be if you started investing today using any compound interest calculator online.
Second, open an investment account this week, not next month, this week. Third, set up an automatic transfer for whatever amount you can afford.
Start with $50 a month if that's all you can do. Remember, this isn't financial advice, I'm not your financial advisor, and everyone's situation is different.
But the math of compound interest doesn't lie, and time is the one resource you can never get back. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today.
Your future self is counting on the decisions you make right now.
Look, compound interest isn't just a math concept, it's the difference between working until you die and actually having choices in your life. Start today, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. What's your biggest takeaway from this video? Drop a comment below and let me know what you're going to do differently.
If you found this valuable, check out my video on the best beginner investment accounts right here. Until next time, keep building that wealth.